Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring Google Photos is signed in and has permission to access your device storage. This lets images move into the Gallery app. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Photos, and enable Files and Media or Storage. Without this, the system gallery can't index photos. Once done, open Google Photos and let it finish any background sync so the newest items appear. Make sure you're on the correct Google account if you have multiple accounts active on the device. You now create local copies so the gallery can index them. Select the photos or an album in Google Photos, then choose Download or Save to Device. On Android, use Export to Device if available. This action writes files into the device's Pictures or Downloads folder, which the gallery scans. Once the download finishes, open your Gallery app and pull to refresh or wait a short time for Media Scanner to run. If you prefer automatic syncing, enable backup and sync thoughtfully so originals stay accessible. Finish by placing items where the gallery expects them. Open files, move downloads into the Pictures or DSIM folder, and create an album folder for easier access. The gallery will pick these up. If images don't appear, clear the Gallery app cache or reboot the device to trigger a media rescan. If problems persist, double-check Google Photos storage permission and that you downloaded originals rather than shortcuts. Fixing permissions or re-downloading typically resolves the issue so your photos show up in Gallery reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.